How to create realistic AI influencers like
Glow
this.
check. I'm using Beauty of Josie on sunscreen every morning because it feels light.
Protected glow while keeping it hydrated. Perfect under makeup or alone. Don't skip your SPF.
So I'll be teaching you how to create influencers that can talk, walk, do everything that you want. They can cook and do everything. So if you actually want to create faceless channel and you don't want to show your face, maybe you want to clone your voice and your face, I'll be showing you how to do that today. And even if you don't want to clone your voice and your face, I'll still show you how to do it. Let's go into the tutorial. Let me show you how to do that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay guys, so first thing first, what you need to do is you create your influencer. Okay, now I'll click on ChatGPT. Click on ChatGPT. And you can do this for the free ChatGPT. You don't need to pay. Now, once you get to ChatGPT, if you actually want to use your image, then you click on the plus button here. You go to your gallery and get an image, okay? So I'll just get an image of myself that I want to use. All right, so I brought the image in. Once I got the image, I click and I brought it in. Now, this is my image. Because I want to use something that looks like my face, all you need to do is just come down here and you type, create me. You just come here and type with the uploaded image, without changing the face and hair, okay? Without changing the face and hair. Create AI influencer standing in a luxury kitchen. Now I'll go down here to say full body image. All right, so there, that's just all I want because I just want an influencer with my face. Okay, now if you do not want an influencer with your face, you just want to generate an influencer, nobody looking like you, you just need to type here, create me an influencer. I'll drop both prompt in my description box. You just need to say create me dark skin influencer or light skin influencer, luxury. You can describe the hair and the eyes and how you want it to look like, you know, and then you click on generate. Okay, so let's wait for this image to generate, and then when this image is done generating, we'll now give these influencers what to do. You can see our influencer is ready. Can you see that? My hair, my skin, everything, look at that. You know, even my chin, everything, they had to duplicate it, which is good, right? You just click and save your influencer because you always use this same influencer. Now what I'll do is here, let me say I want this influencer to advertise the product, right? What I need to do is I'll come here, I click on this same influencer that I just generated, then look for the picture of the product. So let's say this image that I just generated right now, okay? And then you look for the picture of the product that you want. So I'll get, say, this product. I bring it up here, okay? So that's the product. We have this product in. Now I'll say with this product and this particular influencer, do you get? So I uploaded the product and the influencer. Now I'll say make the character hold the product on one hand with a big smile. Okay, you can put the smile, you cannot put the smile, it's okay. Now that is it. Okay, and here they have two products, so you can actually say make the character hold one of the products. So if it's one, you say one. If it's two, you say two. So I'll click that and generate. Now we already have our character. You can see that. Now you're just making your character to hold this product. I'm walking you through this step by step because I know a lot of you really want to do faceless content and it's hard. Okay, so let's wait for this to generate. And okay guys, so you can see that's it. They generated the image. Just click on save. Then I generated a second image as well. I just said make the character sit in a luxury bedroom with the product on the table, okay? On a makeup table, you see that? Because I want to use it as well. So we have this. Now when you're done doing this, just tell ChatGPT to give you a short script. So I said give me a short script. Okay, I went ahead and said give me a short script to advert this product. Make it 15 seconds long, okay? That's all I said. Then I click on generate and ChatGPT is going to give me a script. Why? Because you can actually use your own voice to do this, or you can still use an AI voice to do it. And again, you can still let the AI tool that you're generating this image into a video do it for you. So this is what it actually gave us. Check Glow. I'm using the Beauty of Johnson. So you guys already know that's the product. Now, first, you need to copy your script. Now, what I'll tell you is, if you actually want to be generating AI influencers, you need to stay at the top of your game. Do not do just one image. Some people do just one image and let it talk. Now, you actually realize that I did one image, then I did another one, and you can still do like, drone shot of this same image. Maybe the image lying on the bed, your influencer lying on the bed, or this time around sitting in a sitting room or in the bathroom in front of a mirror washing her face. So you actually get this clear, okay? Now I have these images, I've saved them, right? Now what you need to do is for you to actually get your influencer with the same voice, because a lot of you actually complain that your influencers don't get same voice and all that. Now what I'll do for you is, first thing first, you come here and you copy the first line of the script, okay? Because your influencer will not be talking too much. That's a problem, okay? So I copied this. That's the first line of the script. Let's say we give 2 lines first, okay? We give them 2 lines. After you take these 2 lines, just copy. And then we go now to the next tool that we'll be using. And this tool is going to be like a video tool. You can get any video tool of your choice, please, guys. Everybody get a video tool of your choice that actually give you dialogue script so you can use it. But for me, I'll be using Grok for this one, okay? So I'll use Grok. I'll click on Grok AI. Once you click, you open Grok AI like so. Now you click on the plus and then you animate your image. You go to animate image, then you bring in your photo. Now click on that and then it brings it in. Now once you have it in like this, first thing first, you come here and then you paste your prompt. All right. Now before you paste your prompt, that is the dialogue. You can actually, before you get to paste your prompt, you can put in a motion. So the motion prompt, I'll put motion. This is what a lot of you do not know. So I'll come here and say motion prompt. Then I come down a little bit. I put this. And then I'll ask make character to walk around while talking. This is just because you actually want it. You want to give it that, that something. And then you put in brackets there what the character has to say. All right. Now, once you have that in, because this is what your character have to say, I'll put it to 6 seconds. Then I'll click on generate that. So we are generating the first section. So the first one, she will talk and talk and talk and talk. Then the second one we get to. So let's this one finish generating. I'll go back and go to ChatGPT again and copy the second statement, which is this one. We'll copy this. Okay. Copy that. And that line. So that's another line that we're copying because we don't want to do too much. So I'll copy this line and end it here. Copy. End it there. So I'll go back to Grok and see if it has generated. Now there are 2 methods to this. You can use your voice if you want to. For those of you who want me to teach you how to use your own voice, comment in the comment section how to use my own voice and I'll do a follow-up for that. But this one, since I don't want the video to be too long, I'll use the AI voice, okay?
Glow check. I'm using Beauty of Joseon sunscreen every morning because it feels light. Glow
so can
check.
You see that?
I'm using
Now,
Beauty of...
I'll click on the 3 buttons here, the 3 dots, and then I click on extend. Then I add this because I want my influencer to have the same voice. I don't want the voice to change. So I'll be extending instead of generating step after step. I'll click again on this for it to extend. Then now, after this one is done, then we'll do the second image. Okay. So this second one, which starts from protecting glow, this one, we'll be using, copy that. We'll be using this second image, this one. Okay. So yeah, once that one is done, I'll show you how to input the second image and make it smooth. Your videos don't start from where it stopped and where it stopped. No, we don't do that here. Okay, so the second video is ready. Here we go.
Glow while keeping it hydrated. Perfect under makeup or alone. Don't skip your SPF, babe.
So you see how perfect she picked that from the table and held it and talk about it. That's what we need. That's the importance of motion prompt. Now, once you get your 2 videos together, you just have to go to CapCut or any tool of your choice, InShot, anyone. You can even use TikTok to put it together, okay? Just take the first video, all right? So we have the first video and the second video, merge, and then you have your advert video like this.
Glow check. I'm using Beauty of Joseon sunscreen every morning because it feels light, smooth, and leaves no heavy white cast. It gives my skin that soft body.
Protected.
So you see, this is adverts. You get, you see this, from this move to this move. Tell me that you're doing this as an influencer and people will not watch your videos. People will not give you UGC deals. So this is it, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Comment in the comment section if you want me to teach you how to do UGC content with your voice and not your face, or with your voice and an AI influencer.